Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my another content. In this content, I'm gonna be share with you a new topic. That topic name is how to improve your English speaking skill at home. There is no need your basic trainer. Just at home, you can improve your speaking English. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. That's how you'll be able to see my all content. Even how I'll publish my everything and content into my channel, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. So many people understand English but struggle to it confidently. The good news: you don't need to travel abroad or hire an experienced tutor to improve your English speaking skill. With the right daily habits, simple techniques, and consistent practice, you can speak English fluently from home. In this guide, you will learn improve easy to follow method to improve your English speaking skill naturally. Even if you are shy or beginner, doesn't matter. Your English will through mass improving. Number one is create an English only environment at home. One of the biggest mistake learner make is practicing English only during study time. But you must have English always like 24 hours and 7 days. How to do it? Change your phone language to English, watch English videos, news, even movies, and listen to English podcasts while doing daily tasks. Read short English article aloud, like tips surrounding yourself with English trains your brain to think in English automatically. Number two is speak English every day. Even you are alone, doesn't matter. You don't need a partner to practice English speaking. Daily English speaking practice ideas like talk to yourself about your day, describe what you are seeing around you, explain your thought in English, practice mirror speaking at least 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Your goal will be speaking at least 15 or 30 minutes daily. Number three is too much crucial. Using the photos or use the shadowing technique like powerful method. Shadowing means listening and speaking at the same frame. Step play short English videos or audios. Doesn't matter. Listen carefully. Repeat immediately with her speaker. Copy pronunciation, tone, and speed. And it's too much crucial, like best for accent, best for fluency and confidence. Number four is learn really useful English sentences, not grammar rules. Like could you please explain that again? Could you please explain that again? I'm still learning. Please be patient. I'm still learning. Please be patient. Let me think for a second. Let me think for a second. Practice 5 or 10 sentences daily and use them in real situation. Number 5 is record yourself speaking in English, and this method is too much crucial and too much vital for improve your English speaking journey. How to practice? Choose a topic, write your routine, your opinion, and your story. Speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Listen and improve pronunciation, and record after correction. And this builds self-confidence and reduces fear. Number 6 is think in English. Think in English. Just think in English, not translation. Think in English. Stop translation. Like name object in English. Think simple thought in English. Your daily life use in English. And ask and answer question in English. Start your basic sentence, slowly move to complex thoughtful. Number 7 is practice real life English conversation, like focus on practical situation you actually need. Conversation topics: ordering food, please give me some kind of foods, or please give me a 2 piece spice, or talking on the phone. When you are talking on your phone, that time you can practice with just English language, not Bengali or not Hindi, not Urdu, doesn't matter. Your thing will be just not only English. And job interviews, online meetings, daily casual conversation like hi, how are you? My name is she. What's your name? Where are you from? How about you? How old are you? What you're feeling right now? And number 1 is real practice and real practice equal real confident. 8 is use free online tools and at home, like you don't need paid courses. Useful tool like YouTube English speaking courses, Google voice typing, pronunciation, AI stat tools for conversation practice, and free pronunciation dictionaries. Combine tools with daily speaking habit. Number 9 is don't fear mistake, that help you learn, because mistakes are proof that you are trying to do a new thing, and this is too much important and this is too much crucial for learning a new criteria. That's why if you are wants to learn a new thing, that time you must have fearless or shyness. Remember, and like remember, mistakes are normal. Mistakes are very normal. Even native speaker make mistake. Fluency called perfection. Focus on communication, not perfect grammar. Train. Follow a simple daily speaking routine, like simple 30-minute routine, like 5 minutes read aloud, 10 minutes speaking practice, self-talk mirror, 10 minutes shadowing, 5 minutes new sentences practice. This is the proven method. Common mistake to avoid: waiting to be perfect, because someone wait for your perfect time, and this is too much misconception. And learning only grammar can't be your fluency speaking English. Grammar is a rule. Grammar doesn't matter. Matter is your speaking English. This is too much crucial. Not speaking daily. You must have speaking daily. Even 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 20 minutes doesn't matter. You must have practiced your daily speaking English. And comparing yourself with others. You must have topper. You must have topper because the world doesn't count on average persons or average people. World always choose topper. Who is topper? Who is better? Not best. Best and better is too much different. So you must have topper or you must have better. A common question is, can I improve English speaking at home? Yes, with daily speaking practice and the right hair technique, you must have improve English at home with your home. Number 2 is, how long does it take to speak English fluently? With consistent practice, noticeable improvement can be seen in 30 even 19 days. Is grammar important for speaking? Basic grammar helps, but speaking practice matter more. How many hours should I practice daily? Even 30 minutes daily practice is enough for practice with correctly. So thank you everyone for watching my content. I can't follow my this content. See you soon with another content, and I strongly believe that this content will must be helpful for your improving English speaking journey. So don't waste your time, just action, just take action.